So I've got something here that just came that you don't see every day. I kind of wanted it, but we'll see what it is here. Open it up. It should go along with this IBM 5152 printer. Just another stupid official accessory I had to get. Open this up. Another thrilling unboxing. There we go. There we go. Well, it looks like they actually know how to ship something, so that's always a plus. When I got this printer shipped, well, this one was good, but a previous printer I got shipped was one of those sellers that have no idea what they're doing. All right. Bubble wrap. Nice and protected, so that's not bad. Okay. So here is the meat and potatoes. Ooh. Yeah, this guy knows what he's doing. I'll give him props for that. So yeah, it's part number 6937072. At least I think that's the part number. Box certified. Well, it's not so certified anymore. Seen better days, that's for sure. But it's from IBM. Computerland sticker still on it. Can you read the price? No, can't read the price on it. Personal computer printer cable. Yeah, these you don't see too often. For the CPS matrix printer for the systems unit. This personal computer option is required. So yeah, if you didn't actually, this might be the part 1525612. Made in America. Not bad. Would be kind of cool to have a complete American made computer one of these days. Of course, it would have to be 30 years old by now. This box is in a little better shape. It was allegedly sealed. At least one of them was. There's another, pretty much the same thing. This one looks better condition wise. But yeah, it matches the branding for the printer itself. So let's open this up here. Like I said, one was already supposed to have been opened, and one was not. So I don't know if he retaped these. This one looks original yet. This one at least has one flap open. Oh, I see. You just open the side. But it appears to be pretty much unused. So let's unbox this guy here. Oh, what's this? Inventory checklist. Oh, let's see if we got it. Oh, they already checked the limited warranty. That must be what we're looking at. If any items are missing or damaged, consult your place of purchase on information on what to do. Nice. Refer to IBM 80 CPS matrix printer for connecting cable, located in Guide to Operations. See, this is actually the personal computer graphics printer. I don't know if that's the same thing. I don't think it is, but so apparently all we have left in here is the printer cable. Let's see. Could very well be the original box, the cellophane. Wow, it's even got a tag on it. Amp. That's a heavy duty connector there. Amp. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, there's no rust really or anything. This cable seems to be in great shape. Yeah, so if you have ever come across one of these, this is the official IBM cable. The interesting thing is it's got this grounding strap. They want you to attach this to your computer. Or this is the printer side. Interesting. So what's this tag say? Oh, made January 1982. Florida division. Okay, here's the part number. 1111019. January 1982. Wow. Cool. So, yeah, this is the box. Inside, empty. It's already open. Is this just one sheet? Let's see. I plan on opening these both, so I don't really care. Curious to see if it says anything else on here. Probably the warranty. Get out of there. There you go. One sheet. They want you to put this in your IBM manual. Here, limited warranty. How come back in the day it was always 90 days? You ever notice that? So yeah, there is the cable. Sweet. And allegedly, I have one that's brand new yet. So let's get the printer really quick. Oh, I see. So there's a special screw right for the grounding pin. Or not pin, but cable. So yeah, they want you to plug this in. Secure it like so. And then you screw this cable right here for extra grounding. Yeah, interesting. That's way overbuilt too. Compared to like this older cable, C40. This is made by CA Computer. Is that Computer Associates? So yeah. Wow, look how much thicker this is. Wow. Yeah. You really get your money's worth with this. This thing just dwarfs it. Wow. Anyway, this goes to your computer side, obviously. But yeah, this printer's kind of shot. But there we go. There's the IBM printer cable.